My name is Cindy, and I work with Clean Air Flooring Removal.
My name is Penny Welter. I work for Texas Remodel Team.
What we do is we are a dustless floor removal company. So we're taking out all different types of flooring, all different types of other items as well. Pretty much remodeling is construction. It's demolition work.
We're a remodeling company, so we have numerous jobs going on at the same time.
We've been working with the Houston location now since I've been here, which has been over 3 years.
There's many times we need a new dumpster or a dumpster swapped or picked up, and so we always contact them, and they're always very flexible with doing that for us.
Customer service is big. We are definitely big on customer service, and I use the Houston location quite a bit.
We do look at the response time. That is important. We also look at the cost and the flexibility and just the company in general, how they deal with their customers and how the interaction is between everyone. It's always so good with them.
Hands down, customer service is great. I mean, the people that I work with there, plus the fact that Been There Dump That also puts down plywood.
It's very easy to contact them and get it taken care of. Usually they ask for a day's notice, but there's been times when I've been in a pinch or I honestly forgot to call. And so if they can take care of it and make it happen, they will.
They're very helpful and instrumental in taking care of us outside, the Houston city limits.
Once they do the billing and stuff, they're very good about sending me the invoice, making sure the PO is on there. So it's very detailed about the information I get from them, even after it's all done.
They are very, very professional and they are very helpful. They just go above and beyond each and every time I talk to them. I mean, I get notified by the drivers on a Saturday that, they're going there to pick it up or they're going there to do a drop or a swap, and it's great communication.
Oh, the detailed information that I get makes my line of work much easier because not only do I order the dumpsters, I also run the office, do the accounting part of it. So that information is very helpful. Plus, I can text or email, she'll try and work it in and she'll let me know. So the communication is great with them. They always let you know one way or the other.
We go to Been There Dump That, no doubt.